Hello, good afternoon everyone. Myself Gulsan Malkare. I'm from ENP department, EIT Bhopal. So today we will discuss about coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. Coding and decoding is a very important topic of reasoning. Coding decoding is a basically test how well you can understand pattern, apply logic, and decode hidden message. It You can check ability to think quickly, identify, rule, and solve problem with accuracy. How do your mind you can catch the codes and logics, identify the logic, identify the rule. You can check. Basically, many types of codings like simple coding, like simple coding, alphabetical coding, coding or opposite letter coding, substituting coding, direct coding, alphabetical coding, forward order coding, reverse order coding. So many types of coding. So basically, number of questions, two or three number of questions are each exams are coding or decoding. So let's start. What is a coding? So you can say coding. Coding is a converting meaningful word. Coding is a process of converting meaningful word into a meaningless words. Any meaningless word, you can say any meaningless word you can change, you can apply, change, you can apply rule and regulation, you can logic perform is meaningless word, you can change a meaningful word. This is called coding. Any meaningless word you can convert a meaningful word, letter or numbers or specific according to a specific rule. So you can say this is called coding. Next example is like Santosh. Any word is Santosh. I can code Santosh. It's like coding is this is I can change any specific rule or regulation. You can convert the rule HSOTHNAS. So you can say this number is so word is Santosh. Santosh. You can write down a reverse order. You can change. You can say this is a reverse order rule. S, so S last is first. SHHSOTNA and S. So you can say coding is you can change a word, so you can decode. Next is decoding. Decoding. Decoding means the process of converting a meaningless word to convert a meaningful word. Any word like any example. This is any word WFITVHS. So you can logic perform, you can rule check your rule, and you think about this word. You can change it, you can convert this word or meaningful word. So like W is converting W W is converting a opposite letter of D. F is opposite letter of U, I is opposite letter is R, T is opposite letter, T is opposite letter is G, V opposite letter is E, H is opposite letter was H, S, and H is opposite letter H. So you can see this is word, this is decoding word. You can change a rule and regulation, you can think about a specific rule and convert. You can convert a meaningful word. You can say decode. You can change the word is decoding. So let's first coding is alphabet based coding decoding. Alphabet based coding decoding means you can solve the reasoning question of forward letter of alphabets or reverse order of alphabets, opposite letters of alphabet. So firstly, you can remember the each alphabets numbers. You can all alphabets are remember which number of in alphabets like S, like T, like Y. So A, you can say alphabet coding decoding system is a total alphabet total. alphabet is equal to 26. You can say each 26 number you can remember. A is a forward letter is number is 1, and B is forward letter number is 2, C forward letter number is 3, and D is 4, and E is 5. Basically, you can remember you basically you can check only for 3 to 5 seconds are A, B, C, D, E, and E. But next F is your F. You can remember F is a number of forward letter is 6. So F you can change. F you can change the number. F can you can uh, change number is water image. F is water image like this, and you can again change some design, so this type of design. And you can see, imagine this is diagram like 6. Yeah, so you can say F forward letter is number 6, or F for any one number is fix. F for fix. Fix or 6. Fix or 6, like pronunciation 6 and fix like same. So you can imagine and remember F is forward number is 6. So next is G. G you can say, you can write down G, so like this type of G. Yeah, I can write down this type G, and you can imagine, you can see G is a 7. G, you can see the letter of G is 7. So you can say G is forward letter is 7. G is 7, or G7 countries is a developing country. So you can imagine, then remember it, G7. And next one is H. Next one is H. H. You can write down H, half circle upper and half circle is lower. You can see H is like 8. So H, 8, like both pronunciation is same H. So thank you.